Introducing the new product, AT200Bi No-Lead Air Tube Light. Let's take a look at how to use it. In the standard package, you'll find a range of accessories that are commonly used, making it convenient for your setup. Let's start with how to pump up that air softbox. First, open the valve. Take one of those clever nozzles. Connect it to the air pump along with the adapter. Then, insert it into the air softbox's valve. Turn on the pump, and the softbox starts to inflate. Once it's fully inflated, remove the pump and close the valve with the cap. It's quite simple. The standard package includes both the grid and the skirt. They can both be attached to the light unit using hook and loop Velcro tape, making installation and removal easy. Now let's talk about setting up the connection bracket. First, stick that detachable fabric onto the light unit. Then slide the connection holder into its special slot and give the bolt a good tightening. Finally, pop the whole thing onto a tripod stand and secure it. The package also includes a detachable fabric handle for handheld use. Simply attach it to the light unit and you're ready for handheld diffusion. For suspension use, the AT200Bi provides a hanging option through the handle. Now let's go over the light's operation. Connect the power and long press the power button to turn the light on or off. Short press the power button to turn off the brightness. Another short press restores the previous brightness level. Rotate the knob to adjust the brightness, ranging from 0% to 100%. A quick rotation allows for rapid adjustments. The color temperature is adjustable within the range of 2700 Kelvin to 8500 Kelvin. The AT200Bi comes with 11 built-in FX lighting effects with adjustable speed and color temperature. AT200Bi supports DMX console control, and if you've got a Godox Time-O-Link receiver, you're all set for CRMX control. Of course, you can also control the light by connecting your smartphone. Just enable Bluetooth and reset, then connect to the Godox Light app. For those accustomed to using wireless remotes, the AT200Bi is compatible. Ensure that the control box's group, channel, and ID match the settings on the remote. The RCAA 6th Generation 2 remote is used here. AT200Bi lets you save 10 different lighting setups. Press Preset button and save your current settings. Then make changes as needed. And if you want to go back, press Preset button again to restore them. When it's time to deflate the softbox and pack up, follow these steps. Open the inflation valve. Insert one of the nozzles into the air pump, along with the adapter. Plug it into the air softbox's valve. Then switch the pump's key to the minus position to release the air. Finally, fold and pack up the unit.